What is up, my guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a kind of natural, no makeup kind of makeup look. You know what I'm saying? You want to go to the beach, you want to take a quick couple photos at sunset, get that golden hour look going. Ayy. So in today's video, I'm only going to be using 3 products, and they're all by Anastasia. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the shade Venus. I'm also using the Anastasia Amrezy highlight and the Anastasia dip brow in the shade dark brown. These 3 products will help you get the look that we're going for today, which is kind of a wet looking dewy type of glow. We want the sun to hit our face, natural highlights. We want everything to be natural about this look. I do already have lashes on, and that's a personal choice. You can just throw on mascara if you want to, or pop on some lashes. I personally love lashes because I have no eyelashes whatsoever, so we gotta fake it till we make it, baby. So without further ado, let's dive right into this video. So first step, I'm going to take the Anastasia dip brow and I'm going to fill in my brows. I'm doing very light strokes because I want it to be filled in enough to where it looks good and nice and consistent, but I also want it to look natural. After they're filled in, I'm just going to brush them out a little bit. Look at those brows. Looking natural, looking sexy, looking clean as hell. Next, I'm gonna grab my highlight and dip into it a little bit. Tap for fallout. And then I'm gonna grab the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist and I'm going to spray my brush. So what we're trying to do with the highlight is that we want to hit every point where the light naturally touches your skin, and we just want to emphasize this a little bit more just so the glow on your face makes you look nice and young and gorgeous. And again, we're just looking for every bit of light that touches our face, and we're going to enhance that. Just by the way, I am using Jeffree Star's brushes in JS9 and JS13. These brushes are perfect for highlighting, so I highly recommend getting them. And I'm going to take the JS13 brush and I'm going to highlight the inner corner of our eye right here, and then we're going to highlight our brow bone. Then we're going to highlight the tip of our nose and right down the middle. We can never forget about the Cupid's bow. Next, it's time for gloss, and I'm going to take the Anastasia lip gloss and put that right on. I literally cannot express how obsessed I am with this gloss, because like, look at that. Girl, like wait. And lastly, I'm just going to set our face just so everything stays in place and we have a nice glow. And there we have it. This is my natural no makeup look, and as you can see, we are glowing and dewy. And if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, and come back next week for another video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next week. Love you.